Hi everyone, welcome you all. In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall JDK from macOS. So to do this, as a prerequisite, we should also have a Java or JDK already installed. So if you want to check whether the Java or JDK installed or not, just open the terminal here. Just type Java. Java command is Java -version. So this command will give you the currently available Java. And if you want to see the Java home path, you can just type command echo $java_home. So this will give you the location of your Java. So now I want to completely uninstall my Java. So how we can uninstall it? So currently my JDK, so the Java is present inside this particular directory, right? So first we need to execute set of commands. The first command is this is a one. Let me just maximize the terminal. So the first command will be this one. So sudo rm. So rm is a command which will remove the file. Sudo is a admin level privilege _rf, and whatever file we have under library Java JavaVirtualMachines JDK12.jdk. So this is actual file JDK. So this command will remove that particular file. And before removing, it will ask the password. So we need to provide the Mac OS password. I'll say Mac password here, and then it is removed. And apart from this, we need to also remove certain things for preferences. And also I'll put one more command here. So sudo rm library PreferencePanes JavaControlPanel.prefPane. It will remove the complete Java control panel. And there is one more command we should execute, that is sudo rm rf library internet/plugins JavaAppletPlugin.plugin. And the last command which we need to execute is again sudo rm-rf ~library application support Oracle Java. So these are the totally 4 commands which we need to execute to remove complete Java or JDK from your Mac operating system. So the first command will ask you the password, and rest of the commands you can directly execute. So now press enter. Now it is completely removed. So after removing this Java, again close this terminal. Now you can verify whether the Java is installed or not. And here I can just type Java -version. Now it is not giving anything. So no Java runtime present requesting to install. So again, if you want, you can reinstall Java. And also, if I see the system preferences here, the system preferences, you cannot see the icon. So previously, if you already installed Java, you can see one icon here, but this time the icon is also gone. So this is how we need to remove completely JDK 12 from your Mac OS. So that's all for this video, guys. So thanks for watching.